Hi there, in this video we are going to learn about a very important part of WooCommerce, the general settings. If you are planning to create an online store, the general setting is the first thing you should do. So don't skip this because if you don't set it properly now, you may face many problems later. So watch this video till the end. I will explain everything step by step in a very simple way. So let's get started. Address line 1 and 2. Write your shop or business address here. If you don't have a shop, you can add your home address. Now you will see a field where you need to type your city name. Just enter the name of the city where your store or business is located. Next you will see the country option. Here you need to select the country where your store is available. Just pick it from the drop down list. After that, you will find a field for zip or postal code. Here enter postal code of your city. If you are not sure what it is, you can easily find it on Google. Now scroll down to the selling location section. Here you can choose the countries where you want to sell your products. If you want to sell your products worldwide, just select to all countries. But if you want to sell only in a specific country, then choose sell to specific countries. You will see a box below where you can search and select the country. And yes, you can even add more than one country if needed. Next is the shipping location option. This is similar to selling location. You can just select the same country you selected above. Then we have default customer location. Here I recommend selecting geolocate because when a customer visits your website, WooCommerce will automatically detect their location. This helps with shipping, tax and pricing setups. The next option is enable taxes. If your country charges tax on online products, then check this box. If not, just leave it unchecked. After that, you will see the coupon option. Make sure this is enabled. This will allow you to create discount codes for your customer, which can help you boost sales. Don't worry, I will show you how to create coupons in another video. Now we come to currency settings. Here you choose the currency you want to use for your store prices. For example, I am selecting USD, but you can pick any currency you need. After that is currency position. This means where the currency symbol should appear. You can leave it at the default setting. It works best for most stores. There are few more options below. You don't need to change anything here. Just keep them as they are. Once you are done, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom. That's it. You have successfully completed the general settings of WooCommerce. This is the base of your online store. In the next video, we will start with the product section and I will explain all the products options one by one in a very simple way, just like we did today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to drop a comment below. See you in the next video. Take care and happy learning.